Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get the Candy Enchant Stone in the new Visit Valentine Event Part 2 update. First just go to the Heartfelt Island, and once you arrive you can immediately start fishing on this pool. You can either fish in this pond or at the Valentine Cove, and make sure you use your best fishing rod and best bait because the Candy Enchant Stone is a legendary tire trap. This one it will look like this, and if you are lucky and get one it will look like a heart-shaped stone like this with a pink color like this. And after that you can head to the Valentine Cave, and there you can use this stone to enchant your fishing rod. It will giving you a special buff that make fishing easier, especially during this Valentine event. And for the enchant tutorial you can click the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.